out of the way, let the professionals in.
Wake up, I got a real situation, so we need to move, time's wasting. I could lose everything that I have, and I'm not sure what I should do, it looks bad. Can anybody shed some light? How do I transform death to life? Is there a way that I pay the cost, or do I just fold and take the loss?
Listen to yourself, you sound so dramatic, bro. I think you're coming at it all wrong. Start fresh, you don't have to feel stressed. The trouble's all gone, it's a brand new dawn.
Wake up, that's yesterday. Turn the page, this story's ended. Move on, it's over now. Throw the towel and just forget it no more. That's enough, give it up, you look pathetic. Go now, dig the grave, walk away, but I won't let it die. 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 At least I have to try. At least I have to try. At least I have to try. How could I miss the signs? Or did I find out and it slipped my mind? Truth is, I really didn't want to know, cause if I knew, I'd have to be responsible. Serve my just desserts, and justice hurts, the judge the worst. I guess I gotta come down off the pedestal and try to find something incredible.
Please stop dreaming, looking for a reason. Believing like that is hazardous. It's spilled milk, you don't have to feel guilt. You're not gonna bring back Lazarus. So wake up,
that's yesterday. Turn the page, this story's ended. Move on, it's over now. Throw the towel and just forget it no more. That's enough, give it up, you look pathetic. Go now, dig the grave, walk away, but I won't let it die. 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 At least I have to try. That's right. At least I have to try. At least I have to try. Your faith is slipping through your fingers, hopes in short supply. Fear and pain are closing in to take away your pride. You can't relax and rest in peace, at least we have to try. I'm here to fight despite the odds, so God help me, cause I won't let it die. Woo! I won't let it die. I won't let it die. No, no, no. I won't let it die. At least I have to try. At least I have to try. At least I have to try. Won't let it go. Can't do it. Try. Can't do it. Try. Can't do it. Try. Nope. Try. Let it go. Nope.
Gather around, y'all, and listen to me. Sit back, relax, while I do my thing.
Check this out. Check this out.
Well, yeah. Well, yeah.
Fabuloso y solo.
Fabuloso.
Back to Burns. Staying in oil and watch your brother catch wreck.
Feel alright.
We appear to have encountered a previously unknown physical phenomenon.
Young Einstein.
This man is amazing. Busted moves from another dimension.
All systems functioning perfectly.
Prepare for beam down.